Hello friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you have come to our channel for the first time, please subscribe to our channel to get notifications. You may have understood the topic of this video by seeing the name and thumbnail of the video. If you get any mail showing that your account storage is full, your account will stop working. Now, you cannot send or receive emails, save or upload new files to Google Drive, save photos in Google Photos, etc. The syncing will also stop with the backup and sync tool. In such cases, you have two options. The first is to purchase Google One subscription, as it will increase the storage quota. The second option is to remove content from Google Storage and make space for new data. However, make sure that you back up the data before deleting it from the Google storage space. Backup data using Google Takeout. Google Takeout is an online service where you can export all the content of apps to an external file. When you open its URL, you can see that it has selected all the apps you are using in your account. You can check or uncheck them. After selecting the apps, click Next Step. Select the frequency of the export process and file type and size. Click to create an export file. Google will start to create an export file containing the complete data. Wait for its creation. After the creation of the export file, you can download it to your computer. Later, you can delete the items from Google Apps so that you get more space. But this method has many flaws because it takes much time to create the export file. When the export size is in multiple gigabytes, it breaks the file and creates a new one. It can damage the file or change the structure of important emails, documents, contact, or appointment information. Kernel G Suite Backup Software is a professional solution to back up Google G Suite data. It can save unlimited. Read the in-depth details of software from its web page. Have a nice day.